Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create new configuration profiles for Steelseries Aerox 3 wireless. And to do this, you'll need to download Steelseries GG software on your PC. You can find it on official SteelSeries website. Now open the engine, select your mouse. In the bottom left corner of this window we can see the configs. Click on it, and here is a default config that you cannot delete or rename, and we're going to create a new one with this plus button. Name it however you like. Then, for example, I named it CSGO as I want this configuration to launch with CSGO. You can click on this plus button to select the application that this configuration should automatically start for, and when you close this application it will change to the default. So pick, for example, here we have CSGO, we can choose a CSGO game, click on save, and then this new configuration should show up. You can change and adjust the settings for them however you like, and when it's finished select the save button, and you'll be also able to change this configuration right here in the engine tab of Steelseries GG. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment.